When you're getting a private money, hard money loan, you need to be aware of junk fees. What are junk fees? Junk fees are any fees that you're going to be charged to get the loan in addition to the loan points. Some examples include legal fees, processing fees, underwriting fees, inspection fees, document preparation fees. The list goes on. Trust me, you do not want to show up to the closing table to close on a loan only to discover that you have thousands of dollars in additional junk fees that you were not expecting. And if you have a repair escrow for a rehab project or a construction escrow for a construction project, make sure you ask your lender how much they're going to charge you to get a draw out of that escrow account. Because some lenders will charge you hundreds of dollars or more every time you want to draw from the escrow account. When it comes to junk fees, just make sure you ask your lender what are all of the fees. That way there are no surprises.